To another video. So ngayon naglalaro tayo ng Boracay event. So may new update, 65 na props na 65 na props na dagdag. Oh my god, let's see. Tapos may jet na dun sa fire station. Oh my god, may access daw, card access. Wait, no way. Wow, ang dami na. Tara, punta tayo. Let's go. Tignan natin kung may totoo ba to. May jet na nag-update na naman. New update. Where is it? Where is the card? Here? No. Where is the card? Where is the card? Paano yun? Wala naman. I don't understand this. Huh? Saan yung jet? Wala naman this jet pero nakalagay Meow. Wala No. Wait a minute. No. Saan yun? Baka dito. Wala naman. Comment nga kayo guys kung saan yung jet dito. Hindi ko mahanap. Baka dito. No! Card to access. Guys, comment nga kayo kung asan yung jet. And kung na-enjoy itong video, mag-click ka subscribe naman kayo. And bye bye!